Top dating tips and advice for women. Dating's always been a bit of a difficult sport. And, if it's new to you, online dating can be even trickier. We all approach it differently, but here are a few tips for women that I hope might help guide you in how to date from a man's perspective. It's always best to be yourself. Yes, it's advice we've all received. But it rings true now more than ever. We all feel tempted, from time to time, to pretend we're interested in things we're not, or even that we're something we're not. But from the get-go, you're much better off just relaxing and letting your date like you for who you are. It'll cause a lot fewer problems down the line, especially when you have to come good on your claim of being a chili vodka aficionado. A memorable experience. And after all, everybody's more attractive when they're relaxed. Go in with an open mind. The world would be a much better place if we all listened to one another and kept open minds. The dating world's no exception. If you really listen to your date, asking questions and showing that you're interested, there's a much better chance that they'll do the same. Which has the additional benefit of letting you work out whether you're compatible much earlier on. Be prepared for an awkward moment. We might go to great lengths to come off as confident, but most men, if they're anything like me, are secretly suffering from first date nerves. So it's always nice to plan an icebreaker. If you're struggling for ideas, have a read of our first date questions. Personally, I like to ask what someone's favorite childhood TV show was, and if they judge me for being a Scooby-Doo fan. Avoid playing games. My least favorite part of dating can be summed up in one word: games. Both men and women can definitely be guilty of this, but games are simply better avoided. Being genuine about your feelings and intentions will set both of you more at ease. I've lost count of the times I've told friends to just tell the truth, pretending not to be too into someone so they'll like you more. Rarely works out in the long run. Most importantly, have fun. I'll finish on a bit of a cliché, but it's always worked for me. Just relax and enjoy it. Being overly nervous and tense might have funny and cute consequences in films, but it doesn't work that way when it comes to dating. Leave your past experiences and preconceptions at the door, order whatever you like, laugh, listen and just talk about what makes you tick.